Hey friends, if you encounter the issue a YouTube video is not playing in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. First of all, open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select History. Click on the bin symbol here. Change the time range to all time. Click on Clear Now. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select extensions. Go to Manage Extensions. If you find any problematic extension, then remove it. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Help and Feedback and click on About Edge. It will need a while to update to Edge to the latest version. Wait till it's updated. And if that doesn't fix, then go to Reset Settings, restore settings to their default value and reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.